I'm just gonna say to everyone, Romeo TV blog, with all due respect, I know you want to criticize against the Duterte supporters. Take a look, Romeo TV blog. You praise that opposition, Bam Aquino and Kiko Pangilinan and Tito Soto and Lito Lapid. The true winner are, I am telling in the Senate in 2025 is Jimmy Bondoc, Apollo Kibuloy, my good friend Raul Lambino that I met him in TikTok live. He was my good friend and he was a member of the PDP Laban, and also Philip Salvador, and even Richard Mata and JB Hino. They're true winners. Even the Duterte are true winners. Oh, Bongo and Bato de la Rosa, they're true winners. But even Rodante Marcoleta is a true winner also. Why are you saying, Romeo TV blog, you're saying you're praising Alyansa Bagong Pilipinas, you praise that all it matters in the Philippines about the corruption anyway. You remember Romeo TV blog, Tito Soto, Dito Lapid, they are not true winners, including Bam Aquino, Kiko Pangilinan are not true winners. Best Pills, Arnel Guerrera Castillo was right. Tito Soto was involved of the rape of Pepsi Paloma in 1985. Oh, but he was acquit. You remember Tito Soto? He was acquit. And I know Tito Soto is not true winner. He's belong to Itbulaga. I know I watch Itbulaga. You see TVJ, Tito Soto, Big Soto, Joey De Leon. Oh, we discussed that with Felix Sabines and Ekong Gonzaga. Tito Soto should not belong in the Senate. He should belong to the Itbulaga. He's not a lawyer. He's a comedian. Tito Soto was a comedian. And he's the long-time host in Itbulaga. Do you remember the time about Forinoy? You remember Forinoy? In Itbulaga, there's a grand finals. There's RB Nola, the Miss Universe 2022, RB Gabriel Nola and Tito Soto. Tito Soto, he was belonging in Itbulaga with RB Gabriel Nola, not in the Senate. And Bam Aquino and Kiko Pangilinan, they are not belong in the Senate. Lito Lapid should not belong to the Senate. He should be in the action movies with Coco Martin in Batang Quiapo. And also Kiko Pangilinan and also Bam Aquino, they are not in the Senate. Give me a break, Romeo TV blog. Romeo TV blog, I want to tell you a truth. Yesterday, I upload my YouTube blog. I want to show you the evidence. I opened the TV, the smart TV. I searched there in the internet. Oh, was in the picture of the Rappler. Take a look, Rappler. It was the tweet from former Senator Bam Aquino. Oh, if Ferdinand Marcos Sr. is the greatest robbery of the Guinness World of Record, he's the greatest robbery of the government. Ferdinand Marcos Sr. and Bongbong Marcos, they are the greatest robbery of the government of the Guinness World of Record. Bongbong Marcos is Sue of plunder. Oh, is this what you like? Those idiot Marcos loyalists, Romeo TV Vlog, you are a piece of shit.